How to redeem rewards or discount in Shell app. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to redeem reward or discount in the Shell app. In order to redeem rewards or discount, you have to first of all make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, going to log into your Shell app. Now activate your redeem. So to activate your reward in the app or online, then you need to first of all scan your barcode by the Shell app, and barcode by the Shell app or card or key fob when you pay to redeem your reward. So you will then need to pay the remaining balance. Now you can Shell Go Plus member can use reward on to maximize of 5 individual transactions each calendar day. Now subject to the terms and conditions, and members may use more than one reward in a single transaction providing they are different reward type. So that's how you can go ahead and redeem your Shell gift card online. So that's basically how you can redeem your reward or discount on Shell. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.